Brent crude prices fell below $97 a barrel to a 16-month low. There you go, currently trading at about $96.77 to a barrel. Remember, the fear really is that could hit oil demand. But let's take it across to Manisha Gupta, who's here to tell us what it is that analysts are saying. Manisha.
Well, thank you for that, Tanya. If it's 16-month lows for the Brent crude prices, the NYMEX also is trading at an 8-month lows, and we have seen nearly 6 to 8% of a decline coming in the previous week, and both these crudes really have declined around 20% in last 5 months. We've seen 5 months of negativity coming in, 5 weeks rather, of negativity coming in case of crude prices. Well, to start with, the supplies are really high. OPEC is producing at around 30-year high. Saudi Arabia output is at a 23-year high, and if you look at the US supplies, those are at a 22-year high. So with that kind of numbers coming in and the demand pretty much on the lower side, that is what is impacting the crude prices here. And remember, the crude prices had run up because of liquidity, QE1, QE2, that is what had taken the prices up. And now with markets looking at a dim chance of a QE3 is something that has taken the money off these commodities. As per the latest data, something like $2.3 billion has come off commodities in the previous week itself. So that really tells you that the premium is coming off into these markets. $100 has easily given away from the Brent crude prices, and we are holding around 96 right now. Traders are working with levels like $95, even $92 in the coming couple of months.